The WASP is a composite broomball stick with a focus on weight, accuracy, speed, and performance. The product needed to be lightweight while withstanding the impact of direct contact with other broomball sticks and providing excellent ball maneuverability. With competing products in mind and insight from customers and athletes who play the sport, the broomball stick was created. Here's how it was done.
The first step in designing our broomball stick was to make it on SolidWorks. Upon doing that, we 3D printed it and used it as our plug.
This plug was then used to cast our mold made of polyurethane.
The next step in our little process was to make a slurry with carbon fiber, Kevlar, and epoxy resin.
This slurry was then placed in the cavity of the mold and allowed to cure for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the part could be removed.
The next step here was to make through holes on the tabs, and now these through holes were made so we could secure it down onto a board, which allowed us for secure machining on the mill. And with the mill, we first made an even finish, and then from there we made grooves in, which allowed the shaft to slide through and be secured.
To create the foam core, 2-part expanding foam was poured into a lacrosse shaft. This gave us the desired octagonal shape.
We then had unidirectional glass fiber, unidirectional carbon fiber, and biaxial Kevlar sleeves. We then placed these sleeves over the foam core and tensioned it using the filament winder. We applied epoxy resin, and we allowed it to cure with the slow rotation of the mandrel.
Using Loctite and carbon black, the 2 halves of the head were bonded, clamped, and allowed to cure.